I moved to St. Petersburg in January. I started looking for, January 2017, started looking around for a primary health provider because I'm retired military. And I happened to have had a tooth that needed to be looked at from where I lived before in Pennsylvania. So the first thing I did was I looked around for an endodontist. And I asked around and I received some good recommendations. And that endodontist told me if I was looking for a dentist, because he said, you're gonna have to go to a dentist as soon as I get through. And I said, perfect. I know no one here, and I'm gonna rely on you to tell me who it was. And he recommended Dr. Daxon. So I called, made the appointment, came over here, and I had no idea that the procedures just to get into the practice were what they were. And I was very excited because I thought that the first time I came here was gonna be my appointment, which it was not. It was a sit down with many members of the staff and Dr. Daxon to go over what they were going to do, how they were going to do it. Dr. Daxon's been very thorough, the staff's been very thorough, explaining not only what was going on in my mouth with my teeth, but showing me the pictures and explaining how, and I think I like this best of all, there were some other issues that I was not aware of. And Dr. Daxon explained that there's some other things she'd like to fix first, doing the triage that way, and then we would eventually get to the reason that I actually came here. And it was everybody's input during that team meeting on what they were going to do that I thought, I feel very comfortable with this staff. They're extremely professional, and I don't need to go anywhere else. This was super for me.